Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we got to work on my headlights. For some reason they like fell apart. A little piece right there. It's supposed to go up at the top.
What? No, dude!
So I got to pull this headlight out and then take it over to my friend's shop and we're gonna pull them apart and reseal them. So today I'm gonna yank them out. Oh, my little reflector's coming out. Which I'm doing a new bumper soon anyway. Hopefully like within like 2 or 3 weeks. No, like a month or so I'll get the new front bumper, because I'm doing, in 2 weeks I'm gonna get new rims. So it'll make it look better. But yeah, for right now we're gonna pull this headlight out. It shouldn't take too long. Probably have to drop this side of the bumper down. We'll do a headlight delete. So yeah, let's get that done. Finish pulling this one out. I'm gonna take the top one out. Looks like the little flange there broke. Hold on, if I can film that right. Yeah, I don't know why it broke. Pull this. Gotta pull this one out. Guys, I had these headlights for what? Probably like 2 months. Paid $700 for them. And already falling apart.
No! God, please, no! No!
Like, who sells lights like that, you know? I gotta take these out so I can lower the bumper. There, I got that one out. Now, got the 2 top ones. Is there 4 in this one, I think? Yeah, there's one more right there. I gotta pop out yet. There we go. So stupid. Headlight delete. Now I just gotta fasten it all back up. It'll be good for right now. Headlight delete. So guys, as I was editing, I went and deleted some clips that I lost, but I got the headlight in. That one. Let me go turn it on so you can see. Now, as you can see, this side the high beam wasn't working, so I still gotta figure out why that is doing that. But I put it in at least, and I don't mind with one being yellow and one white. I think that looks okay. But we are having more issues with the car. I think I blew it up, so I'll start it here, let you hear what it sounds like. This shit sounds terrible though. Listen to this. But anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and come back next week to see what was wrong with the car. So I'll post that video then.